Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to the second session of 4th class computer chapter 2. In the previous class already we learned about the MS Windows and their versions, how to create and open, rename, select the files. All these things we learned in the previous class. So today we are moving to the next topic, not tampering with others' files or folders. File permissions are one way the system protects against malicious tampering. Reading, writing and executing are the three main settings in permissions. Since users are placed into a group when their accounts are created, you can also specify whether certain groups can read, write to or execute a file. Next one is copy a file or folder. Files or folders can be copied in different locations. So steps are: first select the files or folder to be copied. Then right click on the mouse and click on copy option. Then select the place where file is to be copied and double click to open it. Then right click the mouse and click paste option. The file is copied to a new place. Then next one, how to delete a file or folder. To delete a file or folder, first select the file or folder required to be deleted. Then right click on the mouse button and select delete option. Press enter or click on the yes button to delete the file or folder when Windows 7 calls for confirmation. Okay. Next one is accessories. Windows 7 contains a number of standard applications called accessories. Some of these applications include Paint, WordPad, Notepad, Calculator, etc., which are used to quite often. These applications help us perform various tasks easily and quickly. To access any of these applications, we have to follow these steps. First, click on the Start button. It is present on the left bottom corner of the desktop. Then click on All Programs. Then select the Accessories option. From there we can choose any of the programs. Uses of different accessories. First one is calculator. A calculator performs basic arithmetical tasks with on-screen calculations. Second one is command prompt. It allows you to interact with your operating system using the keyboard. Then next one, network projector. It is a video projector that is connected to a network that is used to give a presentation. Then next one, getting started. It is the accessory to learn and start using various features of Windows 7. Next one, math input panel. It is used to enter formula and mathematical inputs. Next one is Notepad. Is often used to create and edit text files using basic text formatting. Paint software is used to create and edit drawings. Then next one, remote desktop connection is used to connect one computer to another computer at some other place to access files or folders. Then run. Run is used to open a program, document, folder or a website with the keyboard. Next one, snipping tool. Snipping tool is used to capture a portion of screen in order to save or share an image. In our phones, we are using the screenshot option. Same thing only, snipping tool. Okay. Then next one, sound recorder. This tool is used to record sound and save it on the computer. Sticky notes is used to create short handwritten or text based notes. Next one is sync center. Sync files between a computer and network folders. Next one, Windows Explorer is used to display files or folders on a computer. Next one is Windows Mobility Center. This is used to adjust display brightness, volume, power, etc. Next one is WordPad. WordPad is used quite often to edit text documents with advanced formatting. Okay, these are the main accessories used in our MS Windows 7. Okay, so for the today's session this is enough. So we will continue tomorrow. See you all.